So hi, good morning. Today we're off to Jakkur Lake, a lake very close to home. I've been going here since 2015, so that's more than 10 years now. I've seen the lake change over time, and it's a lake that has been preserved by an NGO called Jakkur, so we haven't seen too much damage in terms of the ecosystem. Of course, I've seen a change in the migratory birds that have been coming down here. Today actually the plan is to just go have a look at the migratory birds that have come down to the lake. This time of the year it's winter and a lot of the migratory birds fly down from the northern parts of India, sometimes from even further up, from parts of Eurasia, Russia, Siberia, birds like the northern pintail, the northern shoveler. I'd seen a huge congregation of the northern shovelers last year around this time. So let's see if we have them around this year as well. Come join us. So this is the lake, Jakkur Lake. It's a very cold morning. It's a little foggy. Hopefully we can see something. Common coots, the Eurasian coot. We've made a video on the Eurasian coot. It's on Instagram. Go check it out. So there's an Indian spot-billed duck that I can see. There's a grey heron. There are a couple of, actually a lot of black-headed ibis. These are all resident species. And a couple of pond herons. Don't see much else as of now. We'll wait for some time here. Our first migratory bird for the day. That's the blitz reed warbler. The call is very characteristic of the bird. There you can see it. First migratory bird of the day. There are parakeets on the tree, but I'm just trying to find out whether it's the rose-winged parakeet or the Alexandrine parakeet. The difference is the Alexandrine parakeet has a red spot on its red patch on its wings, and it's significantly larger than the rose-winged parakeet, but I can't see it clearly yet, so I'm trying to figure out. I've seen Alexandrine parakeets a lot of times here before, so I'm just trying to confirm. Seems to be the rose-winged parakeet itself. Let's see if we can find the Alexandrine parakeet. Guess what? We have a lot of spot-billed pelicans there. Easily 20. I'm so happy to see them. Yep, we have about 20 spot-billed pelicans on the other island there. Slightly less disturbance there. It's far away from the mainland. Maybe that could be a reason why we have them all settled on the canopy there. Let's see what else we can find on the other island. There are some ducks in the water. It's too far for me to figure out what they are. Some of them are Indian spot-billed ducks, but there are some that are smaller than the spot-billed ducks. We try to get closer, but now they're swimming away and they may be too far to get. We'll go check the photos once we get back home and see if we can look at them more clearly, but for now I'm not sure what they are. They're still quite far away. We still haven't gotten great pictures of them, but from the looks of it, they're the northern shovelers. Like I said, last year we had a larger congregation of the northern shovelers. Again, it might be too early in the winter. Maybe we'll have more coming down over the course of the next few weeks. But yeah, we have some migratory birds that are here now. That's good news. Black-headed ibis. wasn't bad. We did see a couple of migratory birds, the blitz-reed warbler, a couple of northern shovelers, but the highlight was seeing so many pelicans here at Jakkur Lake after a long time. Quite happy about it. And to somebody who's new to the channel, if you're interested in wildlife, nature, birds, anything around these topics, we make content around wildlife, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. Like, share it with people that you may know are interested in nature and wildlife as well. See you in the next one.